This hair is beautiful. Oh my gosh, the density feels wonderful. I love, 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 love this color. This hair is really, really nice. She is full. I will put the exact density on the screen because I do not know offhand, but I do know she is 22 inches long, and this is where she's falling on me. Very full, very beautiful unit. As I was combing her out, I did not get any shedding. I did not get any tangles. So this hair is really nice. Let me turn around so you can see her from the back. She may be coming off a little shiny on camera due to my lights, but in person, she's really not shiny at all. She actually has a very nice luster to her, very natural luster. I love this unit, y'all. I really, really love this one. Let me go ahead and just straighten her a little bit to get all the little dents out. So I'm going to take my Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protectant, which shields hair from heat and reduces frizz and flyaways. It also smells really, really good. This side is like straight already. I just see a couple of dents over here. Okay, so this is her like perfectly sleek and straight. Not much of a difference, I know, but I noticed the difference, so I had to do it for me. It's like I can't stop running my hands through her just because she feels so good. Okay, beauties, so I am back and ready to talk all about this hair. This hair is gorgeous, just flat out gorgeous. I'm not just making that up. I'm not just saying it. I really do love this unit. First of all, let's start with the color. This is a gorgeous 99J, and she does come with dark roots, as you can see. So she isn't just, you know, 99J all the way through. Those dark roots really help to make the unit look natural and for it to blend in with your regular color hair. So the specs for my exact wig, this is their UNice headband wig, 99J wine color, 150% density, straight human hair headband wig with black roots. I have mine in 22 inches. I showed you the length on her. She is pretty long. So this is 22 inches and the price of my unit is $156.52. $156. I think that's a really good price for this unit. I also think that she is worth it due to the quality, and I also have a coupon code down below. Also, they will be having a Black Friday sale November 23rd through November 27th, so that'll be a great time to shop these units as well and save even extra money. And of course, as a headband wig, she is super beginner friendly. You can just throw this on your head and go. Also, because this is a straight unit, she is very versatile. You can go in with some wand curls. You can go in with some flexi rods. You can braid it up, do a braid out, and get a cute little wavy crimp look. You have a lot of options with how you want to style this unit, so I love the versatility and the convenience of her. You saw as I was brushing her out, as I was combing her out, she was not shedding at all. Like at all. I had not one strand of hair in my brush. So the shedding on this unit is extremely minimal. I did not experience any. So very, very good quality in that department. I think that just about wraps it up for my thoughts on this unit. I am very impressed. So please check out that description box down below. There will be a direct link for where you can purchase her. And also remember, they're having a Black Friday sale November 23rd through November 27th. So that's a perfect time to scoop on in and save some money on some cute units. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave this video a thumbs up. Hit that bell next to the subscribe button so you can always be notified when I post. And if you would like, follow me over on Instagram. My IG is Deanna_Monet. So please follow me over there. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video, for supporting me, for rocking with my channel. Thank you once again to UNice Hair for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys later.